Hey guys, we're back again and live at 9:18, battling for Abel's Leia Organa figure. I got 36 spots, 38 spots that I would ideally copy and take over to Random Finder Winner, and now I got them. 38 of them should be coming with me, and 38 of them did. There they are. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We didn't. So I'm rolling them again. I'm going to keep rolling them until we do, which didn't take long. We got a 6, so we're good to play. Good luck, guys. Dave, round 1. Jimmy, 2. Jimmy, 3. Jason in the top spot for round 4. Jimmy, round 5 with number 36. And our winner is Josh in at number 18. Congratulations, Josh. Here's the official results. HWHGOF. Josh in at number 18 is the winner. I am done at 9:19. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thank you.